Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie Lut.
Oh. Say happy birthday, Auntie Ruth. Bilisan mo na. Look mo, oh. Auntie Ruth give you so many dress. Bilis na. Bilis na. Happy birthday, Auntie Ruth.
Happy birthday, Auntie Lut.
What else? What else?
Happy birthday, Auntie. Ingat lagi dyan. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Ingat always and stay healthy and God bless you, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ruth. Always take care and thank you for everything. Love you.
Yasu Auntie, Kronya Pola, happy birthday. Wishing you a good health and more blessings to come. Thank you, amin ti sakripisyo mo kan anos mo kanyami. Tumtong tumot ti aldaw nga si kaming tumot mang subad ti amin yung tultulong mo kanyami. I love you. Pilaya.
Hey, Auntie Ruth. Happy birthday to you. And I wish na healthy ka lagi and malakas. And thank you for your all sacrifices, Auntie. And happy birthday ulit, Auntie. God bless.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ruth. We wish you a good health, lifetime happiness, kanagnanayon nga katadkad abagi para kanika. Kat sapay lang kumata, you always remember that you are so loved by many and celebrated by all of your friends and loved ones. Kat pagyamanan mi Auntie amin ting ka panagtulong tibo nga pumalya tayo to all your sacrifices just to make sure that we're all well. That we miss you, we love you. Happy birthday, Auntie. Bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ruth. God bless always. Take care.
Happy birthday, Manang Ruth. God bless you.
55th birthday, my big sister. Wishing you good health always and enjoy your day. God bless you and I love you, miss you. Mwah!
Hi, Manang. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. And thank you. Di amin nga sakripisyo. Love you.
Hello, happy birthday, Manang. Hello? Manang, happy birthday. Kasulat at pinagbiag. Pagyamyaman na kanyam ta tultulungan dak. Siya pa lang kumata pawitan ak no bigat. Awanan, dagsan di bulsa. Agtagtag pa dati bubungkaw na eh. Awanan.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ruth.
Happy birthday, anak ko. Happy birthday.
More birthdays to come.
Hello, my classmate, my friend forever. As you celebrate another year of your life, wishing you a beautiful day with good health and happiness forever. Again, happy birthday, my friend. Wish you all the best. Good luck. God bless you. I love you.
Hi, Book. Happy birthday. More years to celebrate. God bless you more. Love, love. paramig man ti puso. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello Insan! Happy birthday! Kronya pula! Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. And naimbag ngal daw apan nakayanak mo Insan. Sapay la kumakin na po tayo na marswatakan kanayon kumanga itkan nakatikaragkad sa lunat nagnanayon. Ken I wish all the best for you Insan.
Hi, Ate Ruth! Magandang buhay! Advance happy birthday! Inaramid mi natin tap no, ma-surprise ka in advance minti birthday. Ken thank you mat dagitay family ni Ate Ruth nga kinakod sabak tanagisan dati birthday greetings. Pasensya ka tayo basit nga surprise mi ken sapay lang kuma daw-dawat ko kini Apo tam natoy nga pinag-birthday ket naragsak ka nasalunat ka ken sapay lang kumata matalaginayon nga sa starter bayan na kani Apo amok nga nabayag ka dito igrisan ket adon tinay tultulong mo iti pamilyam ken daduma nga tattao you are loved by many kas makidak dagitay message dagitay kakaanakam they love you so much within their heart. So, cheers for that and salamat sa buhay mo dahil naging blessings ka sa iba. Kaya ang wish namin, wish namin ni Papa T na maging malusog ka lagi at stay blessed, stay happy. Oh, so kamat.
Happy birthday, Ate Ruth!
Kasangsangpot na actually pan gimatang ti pansit. Okay, happy birthday and enjoy your birthday. God bless!